Today you'll take the Chapter 10 Vocabulary Quiz. Be sure to put your name, date, class period at the top of the page. Here are the vocab words. I'm going to read down in columns. A. Customs duty. B. Jurisdiction. C. Similar. D. Principle. E. Secede. F. Authority. G. Purchase. H. Tribute. I. Neutral rights. J. Embargo. K. Nationalism. L. Nullify. M. React. N. Restriction. O. Frigate. P. Underestimate. And Q. Goal. Number 1. This word is a court's power or right to hear and decide cases. Number 2. Means to legally overturn or to cancel something. Number 3. This is a type of warship. Number 4. This is a fundamental or basic law or idea. Number 5. This is the act of buying something. Number 6. This is money paid to a leader or a state for protection. Number 7. Means to judge something below its actual value. Number 8. This is tax collected on goods that are imported. Number 9. This is a strong sense of devotion to one's country. 10. This means sharing qualities, but not the same as, but like something. 11 is to act in response to something. 12 is a prohibition or a blocking of trade with a certain country. 13 is privileges or freedoms that are granted to nations that do not choose a side in a conflict. 14 is something one is trying to accomplish. 15 is the power to influence or command thoughts, opinions, or behaviors. 16 means to withdraw or break away from a nation or an organization. And number 17 is a rule or a regulation that limits something.